Hello, young learners! Today we're going to learn how to turn on a computer. Let's see how exciting it is. First, let's learn how to turn on a laptop. Here's a laptop. We need to open it first. Now, let's press the power button. The screen lights up, and the laptop is ready now. Now, let's see how to turn on a desktop computer. Let's do it step by step. First, we need electricity. For that, we need to turn on the power switch. There, now the electricity is on. Next, we need to press the UPS button. The UPS keeps the computer safe if the power goes off. Now, it's time to turn on the CPU. One more step to go. Let's turn on the monitor. Just press the button on the monitor. Look, the computer is on. Let's see what's on the screen. This is the desktop. It's the first screen you see when the computer turns on. Look at these small pictures. They are called icons. Icons can open games, music, and other programs when you click on them with a mouse. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to turn on both a laptop and a desktop computer. Keep exploring and learning. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. See you next time.